Okay, look here. How we can solve this question. Now here we need to find k. What the value of k, right? So in here you can see this is in index form. No? Now this has a power. That means here we have index, right? So we need to try here also as possible to make as a power. That means has a index. Now you know this thing. What the if you have x square root, that means we can write index as half, right? This is a normal thing. So here also I can make like that. But the 27 I can make here 1 over 2. Index is 1 over 2 half, right? And equal 3k. This one step. And again this 27 also I can make how um, what the 3 to the power 3, because why? Now we know 3 into 3 into 3, 27. That means 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So 27, for the 27 I could write 3 to the power 3, and here will be half. Now look very carefully here. What we need to do, this index keeps same way, only this 27 I could write 3 to the power 3, and here will be 3k. Now we know this index we can multiply with this index, right? This into this. So it will happen here for the 3 into half, 3 into half, right? So 3 into 1 3, 3 over 2. Oh, like this you can think, 3 into 1 3, 1 into 2. So here will be 3 into 3 over 2. This 2 when you multiply. So here will be 3 to the power k. Now very simple. This remember when you have power, when you have equation like this. Now this base equal to base, here equal sign you have. That means definitely this equal to this. So you can write k equal what the 3 over 2. So that's the answer, right? And here what we can do, right? In this question, we know already. I told you, I explained this thing. But when you have minus index, you can write as a plus. How you should change upside down, get the reciprocal of this fraction. I mean, when you have a minus index for a fraction, you can get the reciprocal of that, and this plus index you can change to sorry, this minus index you can change to plus. So here will be 4 over 1. You don't need to write even 1 here. So this will become plus 3. Remember, this is very uh, quick way. Now this become plus now. Now again, like I told you here, try to make as much as possible in index form. Now 4 you can write what the 2 to the power 2, right? And 3 here 2k. Now this like same here, we can multiply these two index, index again index, right? So here will be 2 into 3 6, and here will be 2k. Now again like here this same base, so this must be equal to this. So your k equal 6. So that's the answer.